How does breastfeeding exactly work? You may have questions about what triggers milk secretion, the different hormones involved, and various anatomical parts, which we will go over in this video. During pregnancy, the breasts are already preparing for breast milk production by the first trimester. The areola will tend to darken, and the veins in the breast themselves will enlarge. These changes are due to hormones such as estrogen and progesterone. Inside the breast, you can see these mammary glands with alveoli inside, whose main function is to secrete milk transferred by these tube-like structures called lactiferous ducts. The mammary glands are lined with myoepithelial cells. Myo relates to muscle and epithelial relates to outline. So these myoepithelial cells line the mammary glands and are responsible for contracting and emitting milk. The different tissues surrounding these organ properties are collagen and elastin, called Cooper ligaments, supporting the breast to the chest. Then there is adipose tissue, otherwise known as fatty tissue, throughout the breast, protecting all the properties held inside. So now that we know the anatomy of the breast, we will go over the exact process of what is causing the excretion of the milk. When the baby begins to suckle, the nipple has these mechanoreceptors sending messages to the mother's brain, particularly the hypothalamus. The hypothalamus then tells the oxytocin neuron to excrete oxytocin. The function of the oxytocin is to tell the myoepithelial cells to contract, squishing the alveoli inside the mammary glands. The hypothalamus also has to turn off prolactin inhibitory neuron, allowing the prolactin cells in the anterior pituitary to create prolactin. Prolactin causes lactogenesis, the creation of milk. So a simple way of looking at this is that prolactin is what causes milk creation, and oxytocin is responsible for transporting the milk. We call this process the letdown reflex, which can be triggered by a baby sucking or a baby crying.